Um, I'm really honored to be here tonight amongst all these people. And as it was said that this journey started a few months back, I think.
Correct.
We started talking about it. And I have felt the need for the promotion of arts and crafts in Pakistan because it is such a beautiful industry. I've witnessed it very closely. I've worked with them very closely. And there's so much diversity, so much beauty, and so much color out there which just needs to be displayed and shown to the world that the people and the artisans of Pakistan can create beautiful things, things that are done with love, things that are made with passion. But unfortunately, we have not had the right platforms to promote our artisans. And as I can see, the icons of the fashion industry are present here today. My request and my appeal would be to them to incorporate the designs and the crafts made by these wonderful artisans all over from Pakistan. And there's so much diversity. If you study each region, Gilgit-Baltistan has its own beautiful products. Kashmir has its own beautiful products. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where I come from, has its own beautiful products. Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, you name it, and every region has its own very unique crafts. But I would again request that if these artisans, because some of the crafts are dying, we should realize that. It's like the art of natural dying, because they are not getting the proper recognition, they are not getting the right patronage, and I think with this platform it will be a great help. But even further, if we take it more, it would be very helpful if the designers, which the fashion design industry in Pakistan is flourishing, it's booming, they should also step forward and include these products and designs into their designs, so these artisans have more access to the market. So once again, thank you very much. And I would again thank the host for giving me the opportunities to talk to you. Thank you very much.